This is going to be a POV drive, and let's go. Put in the sport, and then we'll go. Somebody in front of us literally doing 20 miles an hour in a 35. You get a lot of like interior parts that are rattling, like the armrest here, some parts of the door. You know, obviously your coins will rattle like hell if you have any in like the center console or in the middle or anything. Got a little overpass. Oh my God. Hello. Look at that. Right, we're recording. Yeah. Together, ma'am. I'm gonna need you to be cooperative. Drive on here all the time. Ooh, it's wet, slick. Actually the road that I actually want to drive on, but it makes for some good stuff. Tell me that's literally an undercover cop right ahead. I mean, it definitely is. Yeah, he's got the gay rims, so I think he is. wish I was fast enough to where I could go, but I'm not. I'm just not. Oh no, more fucking mist. Oh, wet tires. I'm gonna lose traction. Shit. Right there. Oh, never mind. That was the fire chief of Ringwood or wherever the hell I am. Fuck, man, that scares the shit. Why can't they have like a white car like my town, or like a red car or something? They only like, I don't know what that is. Oh, they're building. So nice. Finally. Fuck you. Of course there's cars going in there. Why do you have to suck, man? What's up, buddy? We'll be nice to these folks. They have sticks. I don't know why. Oh, for hiking. Man, IBM, you guys really not sponsored by them. If you want to, though, I'll promote your fucking computer stuff. That's whatever it does. Uh-oh, we have a human. Run in peace. Interesting looking fellow. Ooh, sneaky, sneaky. And then I think it just, oh no, we still got more. Another reason I'm not going too crazy right now, 1, public road, 2, brakes can't handle it. The brakes on this car are fucking terrible. I can't preface that enough. They're awful brakes. One piston in the front, one piston in the rear, total of 4 fucking pistons. My dad's Z06 has more on one side. And what type of CIA fucking operator? Who the hell are you people? But yeah, the brakes, they just can't handle it. I mean, any type of like aggressive driving above 60 miles an hour and the brakes start to like, they get really soft when you go maybe around like 5 turns. Just braking from maybe like 60 to 30, then here it is. This is where it does it. Okay, I'm gonna make an illegal U-turn now on camera and post it to the internet. Oh, that's fun. Why am I in sport? Yeah. Roar. Actually, well, he probably had time to catch up because of the slow fucking Cadillac. I have to like brake so early because I can't heat the brakes up. CIA building. Drive down. What a fucking ass. Well, slow down for that guy. As to make him not shite himself. Can you say shite, or does that have to be bleeped out too? Because I'm gonna have to bleep out a lot of shit. Sorry, I meant shite. It's not English, so people won't know. I actually kind of like the little lurch forward that it gives you when you do those kind of like half throttle shifts.
go.